Don't mind me. Being a Jerry. Okay, ready?
Yep.
That was way deeper than I thought. Ah. Yeah, no, for sure. Yeah, but no, yeah. So what's the word?
Oh, for sure. Yeah, no, definitely. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. Going?
We're good.
Hey. All right, let's get it.
Send it! I like the way that day.
Oh, you gonna hit this again, dude? It's kind of sketch, but.
One second. Flipped it, man. Should have known I was gonna do that.
It looked good.
Felt good the first part.
What's going on, Michael?
We're about to send it off the top of this cliff here. I'm just kidding. We're gonna go along the side and jump into the trees.
There's gonna be lots of fresh snow, lots of fatalities, and
Yeah, a couple fatalities.
you guys want to be in the video?
Sure.
Okay, what do you got to say?
Oh, we have to speak. What would you say?
Yeah, you got to look into my
Is it
belly
on right
button.
now?
Well, we're about
up?
to send it, Joe, huh?
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Got some flakes out there. Shred some flakes.
Shred some
Ah.
flakes.
Get some Ellie
Serious.
to the
Ellie.
moon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Let's do it.
shredding flakes.
Shred and flakes.
Music is in. Michael is
Vibing.
sexy. Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah, this is spicy. That's a big drop, bro. You might need more speed. Oh, yeah! Woo! Yeah, that was sick. Dude, your guy is a freak.
I know. It's awesome.
He's nuts.
Yeah.
You guys are both freaking crazy.
You're crazy too.
Got a little crazy there. Oh. Yeah, she's cruising. Powder. Yeah. Man alone. We don't get along. Woo. Oh yeah!
Yeah.
Woo! Nice jump, bro. That was a big drop. All right, let's see what you got, Michael. Woo! That was fun. Nice send, dude. So sick. Woo! Oh, there's Michael. Okay. Woo! I'm gonna get you doing something sick. Now I know why Michael wanted to come over here. Dude's a freaking maniac. Oh, he's hitting that. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's sick. That's definitely a send. Yeah, all right. That was cool.
Nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
Send it.
Do it. I'm just trying. You're just egging him on, Taylor. This looks gnarly. There's a nice little ledge over there. You see that?
Over there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That looks kind of big though. Oh, that's doable.
Yeah. I'm looking at this right here though.
Just don't get caught on that tree, man. That would suck. All right, he's gonna jump it, Michael.
Ready?
Hold. Woo! Nice jump, dude. Woo! He's insane. You're nuts, dude. What do you think, Michael? Taylor? The what? The moon? All right, we're going to the moon.
To the moon.
To the moon. Yeah. Woo!
So scary.
feel like every time I do a clip, it's like the build up before it is so much scarier.
It's so
than actually
scary,
doing
dude.
it.
A tree could have hit you.
Did it whip back up?
Yeah, it whipped up and it was pointing. Yeah, it was scary. Is that good?
Yeah. Do it.
Oh, geez.
That little guy right there too.
Oh, yeah.
This one also looks pretty fun. But this little guy over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What are you doing now? Fluffy. Oh. Fluffy! Oh, man. Oh, dude, this is dope. Oh, nice. Hey, this is cool. Okay, when in trouble, do a double.
Double.
Yeah.
All right, I'll follow you, Taylor.
I'm not gonna do that.
It's a lot slower.
Yeah.
You feel that?
Definitely
Yeah.
sticky,
Yeah.
sticky
Trying to figure out
situation. Oh, you gotta hit this up here, bro. Oh, that's so slow. That's so sticky. Oh my gosh. You got it, Taylor. You a beast? Woo!
To the moon.
To the moon. Yeah.
Send it.
Sorry, just putting my Jerry music in. Sorry I didn't hear that.
Yeah, you're good.
I'm just being a Jerry.